Where are they? The ghost eyes. Be clever, miss. Even if you win, she'll never let you go. You're wrong, Coraline J. Baby, swatting wood.
Hi pumpkins, it's Talia. If you haven't heard, for the month of October, I'm filming a little Halloween series on my YouTube channel called Trendy Tallooween. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a little haul from my favorite store, Bath & Body Works. I got my hands on as much as I could of their Halloween collection, so let me show you. Alright, so first off, let's start off with some candles. The first one I got here is called Hot Cocoa and Scream, and boy, does it smell good. Oh my goodness, this smells straight up like hot cocoa. If you love sweet chocolatey scents, this scent is definitely worth a try. The fragrance note in this reads deep dark chocolate, fresh steamed milk, mischievous mini marshmallows with essential oils, and I just love the packaging of this candle as well. It has a huge full moon and a little witch on the side here flying by the moon. And I'm very excited to be lighting this in my home this Halloween season. Alrighty, and the next candle I got is a single wick candle in this fragrance scent, Ghoul Friend. I just love the name. It's so cute and the packaging is adorable. It's got this beautiful hot pink color and then a little black cat in the middle there with a witch hat on top of Ghoul Friend. And if you guys love fruity scents like I do, I highly recommend this scent. It's my favorite Halloween scent that they have. Oh my goodness, that smells so good, fresh and clean and like a nice fruity scent. So the fragrance notes on this one is dark strawberries, ghostly peony, and spine-chilling citrus. I'm going to be burning this single wick candle in my bedroom because single wick candles tend to smell more powerful when you burn them in a smaller room. So this one will be going in here. And then with my free gift, I picked out this cute Halloween candle holder. I was trying to think of the name. It's a Halloween candle holder and it has little pumpkins, a black cat, like a haunted castle, a full moon. It's silver and gray and black, and I just thought it was so cute, and I'll show you how it's going to pair with the candle. So it'll look like that, and I'm definitely going to be putting this out with the rest of my Halloween decorations on my kitchen bar area. So next up we have some wallflowers, and I got 4 of the same scents. So that scent is Paris Cafe, and you guys, this is my all-time favorite Bath & Body Works scent for the fall season. It smells just like Starbucks. And the fragrance notes are rich roasted coffee, sugared brioche, and vanilla cream. And I cannot wait to plug this into my home. That's why I got the Hot Cocos and Cream candle, because I think it'll pair nicely with this coffee scent. And then for my bedroom, I didn't think that coffee and like fruity strawberry scent with the Ghoul Friend would go, so I got a strawberry pound cake wallflower refill. And the fragrance scents on this are fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. And I have had strawberry pound cake in the candle form, as well as the body lotion, shower gel, and fragrance spray. And I absolutely love it. It's such a beautiful strawberry scent. And then I couldn't help myself. I had to get this cute wallflower plug that is a black cat. It's so cute. It has gold little ears and whiskers, and I actually own a black cat. Her name is October, and she is so adorable. And if you couldn't tell already, Halloween is my favorite, so of course I had to name her October. And this wallflower kind of reminded me of her, so I had to get it. Alrighty, and lastly, I picked up their entire Halloween hand soap collection, and I couldn't be any more thrilled. Let me show you the scents I got. So the first one we have here is called Perfect Pumpkin. It's this beautiful bright orange color. I love the black cat on it. hanging out on top of a pumpkin. And the fragrance notes with this scent is carved pumpkin, spooky cinnamon, and moonlight vanilla. Next up we have vampire blood, and this is chilling red color. Kind of does look like vampire blood, a little bit creepy, but definitely perfect for that Halloween season. The fragrance notes are red berries, night blooming jasmine, and petrifying plum. Wow, that's a mouthful. Petrifying plum. The next scent is called Candy Corn Treats, and it has, again, a full moon with a witch flying over it. Super cute. The fragrance notes are enchanted marshmallow, chilling lavender, and candy corn. That sounds like an interesting mix, so I'm curious to see how this one's going to smell. Next we have Spooky Nights, and this one has a werewolf howling at the sky, and there's also some pumpkins hanging out in the woods with him. The fragrance notes on this are haunting sage, scary sandalwood, and terrifying tonka bean. And I also have this cool one called Happy Hauntings. I love the green color and the little skull here with spiders. And the fragrance notes on this one read Mysterious Lime, Frightening Pear, and Spooky Sea Salt. I'm very excited to try this one. And then the last hand soap that I got from the Halloween collection is called Ghoul Friend. And again, I love the packaging, the hot pink. This one has a haunted castle on the back with a full moon and bats, and like I already read before, the fragrance notes are dark strawberries, ghostly peony, and spine-chilling citrus. Again, this is my all-time favorite scent from their Halloween collection, so if you love fruity scents like strawberry, you guys should definitely check out this scent. So that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Let me know down in the comments below, when is your favorite time of the year to shop for Bath & Body Works products? I absolutely adore their Halloween and Christmas collections the most. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next Trendy Halloween video. Bye!